Well, saw your question in the email here. Determine the point estimate in of the population, margin arrow, the following confidence interval. I guess you do the number of individuals in the sample. So you're given a lower and upper bound. So it's kind of backwards what we've been doing. So the confidence interval goes from 0.123 to 0.377. I guess you were starting with point estimate and finding the confidence interval. Now they're kind of reversing it. So the point estimate's just what's right in the middle of these two values. So if you add and divide by 2, that gives you the point estimate, which is 0.25. I mean, it's smack dab in the middle of these two numbers. And the margin of error is just the the larger value minus the point estimate, or you could do the point estimate minus the smaller value here. So the margin of error is 0.127. The formula for this lower and upper bound, it's the point estimate minus the margin error, and the point estimate plus the margin error. So if you took this number and subtracted 0.127, you should get this number. And then if you added these two numbers, you should get to 0.377. Hope this helps.